Hey guys, this is Shiwei. I just want to show you guys something cool that I've built over the weekend at KL House. So guess what? It's called MILF. It stands for Make Interfaces Less Frustrating. Cool. So what drove me to build this app was that, I have a senior family member in my home. That's my grandma. So, dad got her a phone, and yeah, she's pretty old, but she's still trying to catch up. So she's got a phone, and she's struggling how to use it. So often she would come to me and ask, how do I do this with my phone? Do that? How do I open my contact book and call dad? And maybe open Gmail and draft the reply to this guy. And honestly, I got a bit annoyed because to our generation, this thing should come pretty natural, but to them, they didn't grow up with this gadgets, so it's not that intuitive to them and could be a bit of a struggle. Yeah, so we do have to be empathizing with them, and therefore I built MILF in the hope of making all these mobile interfaces less frustrating. Okay, you might have asked, why not Gemini Live? Yeah, Gemini Live works. I mean, it can see our screen in real time, but the thing is that it cannot act on behalf of us. Or what I wanted was that there is like a box that can render on our screen and show us what we could do. But Gemini Live just maybe haven't introduced that feature. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how MILF can do it. So I'm on my phone, but on the screen I'm screen recording. I'll use OBS to show you. Right, so this is the app. On the main screen, it's just the same as the chatbot apps like ChatGPT, Claude. And you can type to it to give commands. By the way, it's seeing your screen in real time. If you don't like it, you can disable the permissions. Yeah, just so you know. And you can chat at it like normally, or you can start a live session. Basically, it's gonna minimize the app into the background, but it can still see your screen and do the stuff that you want it to do, or receive guidance from the app. Now let's say, okay, I'm gonna role play my grandma. Let's say I want to set a timer. Hey, could you open clock and set a timer of 5 minutes?
Tapping on the clock app to open it. Tapping on the clock app to open it.
Great. Okay, it probably got stuck in the loop, so let's just give it another instruction. Okay, you have opened the clock app, but I don't see any timer running. Give it a bit of time.
I've started the 5-minute timer
Great.
for you.
Right.
Tapping the start button to begin the 5-minute
So there's this
timer.
overlay that shows what UI action that it has taken, which is pretty cool. I could also get guidance. So maybe I just started using Facebook. Let's say it's pretty like an app that old people like to use. Hey, could you just check that I'm on Facebook right now?
You are currently on the Facebook app.
Great. Okay. Hi, I'm a bit confused with the interface of Facebook. Could you tell me what the hamburger menu on the left does? Oh,
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
okay. Well, this UI is a bit confusing. What is the top 3 horizontal bars on the left that looks like a hamburger menu?
The 3 horizontal bars on the top left is called the hamburger menu. It opens the main menu where you can find settings, privacy options, and other features.
Oh wow, okay, that's so cool. Right. Okay, let me give you more instruction. How do I open my own profile in Facebook? Do it for me.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
It's lagging a bit. Never mind. Hey, I want to open my profile in Facebook. Please do it for me.
Tapping on your profile name to open your Facebook profile.
So you can do this.
Tapping on your profile button to open your Facebook
don't
profile.
mind. Sometimes it gets stuck in a verification loop, doing the same action twice. But this could be optimized, so no worries. So yeah, that's it. You can see your screen in real time. You can point to UI elements. So you might be wondering how this works. So let me show you the architecture. Essentially, this mobile app is just a typical APK app. It has multiple components. And there's actually a backend that is orchestrating all this. The mobile app is just like a sensor that is receiving the mobile UI tree, sends it to the backend, and translating backend instructions into the native instructions that the thread can execute and render on the screen. Yeah, and this agent has got plugged into this AI model in the backend. and it has a vision model. There are it could be even more complicated depending on the complexity of your task. Maybe you can ask it to book a flight for you. It just takes a bit more time to do all the reasoning, call the correct tools, search the web, and so on. It can even take screenshots. You can ask it about like what is going on your screen. Let me just show you. Maybe Instagram this time. Okay, let me find something that has a bit more words. Maybe Gmail. Okay, I can ask about like my screen. You can see my screen as well. So we'll take screenshots for it. Back to Android Studio. So as you can see, I'm on Gmail. Okay, let me open Gmail for it. Let it open Gmail for me. So I quit.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Okay, please open Gmail for me and go to that email that shows that is from LinkedIn. Go.
Tapping on the Gmail app to open it. Tapping on the Gmail app to open it.
Okay. Could you tell me what's on this email? I don't quite understand. Could you take a screenshot and tell me about the contents on the screen? So it's thinking. This would take a bit longer.
I'm thinking. Give me a moment.
Oh my god.
This email from LinkedIn is about job alerts for artificial intelligence intern positions.
That is.
It lists several opportunities including roles at DFX, Whois XML API, Lensa, Clinician Nexus, and FTI Defense, with details like location, mostly remote, and pay rates where available.
Okay. Yeah, so if you want to end a session, the timer doesn't matter. So if you want to end a live session, go back to the app, you can just tap this one, and yeah, it'll bring it back to the app. And it's just like another ChatGPT. Don't worry about all this overlay, you can clear it. When these apps activity is killed, all these overlays will be gone. So that's MILF. Built this to make interfaces, especially mobile interfaces, less frustrating. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions or feedbacks or optimization advice, I'd love to chat with you and connect. That's it. Hope you have a great day. Cool.